Couple of subwoofers to my Gen 1 Tundra today, and thinking outside the box a little bit. No pun intended. Well, this box has seen better days. Pretty old, been outside a while. So, thinking about doing something a little different. So I picked up a couple of these poly end caps, SDR11. For those of you who don't know, these are used in the oil field for transporting high pressure fluids. Should be pretty solid, fit that 10-inch. Just got to do a little trim around here. Like I said, something a little different. So as y'all can see, I went ahead and cut off the old face on the old busted box as a template. We're just a little bit off on this one, so like I said, I'm going to use this as a template to go ahead and trace out where I need to cut, and should pop right in. Alright, got my template on there, hit it with a little bit of Krylon, and all I got to do is cut that out now. Speakers fit snug. I already checked that out, drilled a hole in the back for the speaker wire. Got them soldered up. Looks like crap, but that's okay. And we're almost ready to rock and roll. Alright guys, there you have it. It looks pretty solid. Comes in at about 2.14 cubic feet. And I think she's gonna bang. All we gotta do now is get her wired up and see what it does. And there you go, that's a done deal. For now, they're just going to sit on the back seat. Not real sure what I'm going to do with them. Don't really have a lot of room in these Gen 1 Tundras. As if you own one, you do know that. So there they are for now. And let me tell you guys, these things do bang. And the greatest thing about it is these boxes are going to last forever. I mean, they are virtually indestructible.
What's up? Fresh is our turn, baby.
So, thanks for watching, guys. I do appreciate it. This is definitely an out of the ordinary build for me. If you've watched this far, please give me a like and a follow. If not, I don't really care. Either way, it was a fun little accomplishment. So, y'all take care.